Hello everyone, welcome to Simsad Aesthetics. I am a professional esthetician and cosmetologist. If your sensitive skin feels like a constant battle against redness, irritation and eczema, then today's video is for you. I will share the best skincare routine and most dermatologists and estheticians recommended products brands you should use. So subscribe my channel first, not to miss latest updates. Section 1. What is eczema? Eczema, or atopic dermatitis, is not merely dry skin, it is a complex inflammatory condition characterized by a compromised skin barrier, intense itching, redness, and flaking. For those with sensitive skin, this barrier dysfunction is exacerbated, making the skin reactive to numerous triggers. Let me tell you, there is no instant cure, but you can achieve rapid symptom relief and significantly shorten flare duration. The fastest effective home strategy is a combination of soaking, sealing, and targeted anti-inflammatory treatment. This means a lukewarm bath followed immediately by applying a prescription topical, if available, or a robust moisturizer, and then sealing with a thicker ointment. Consistency is your fastest route to control. Section 2. The core 4-step daily skincare routine, AM and PM. This non-negotiable routine forms the backbone of eczema management, which consists of 4 steps. Step 1. Gentle cleansing, no stripping allowed. Let's start with Step 1, gentle cleansing. The purpose here is non-negotiable. You must remove the day's dirt, allergens, and impurities, but you have to do it without stripping away your skin's fragile, natural oils. This means your product choice is critical. You must use a fragrance-free, soap-free, and ideally non-foaming cleanser. The best textures for this job are cream cleansers, balms, or oil-based cleansers, as they clean without compromising your barrier. For budget-friendly, dermatologist-approved brands, you have excellent options. CeraVe's Hydrating Cream to Foam Cleanser is a standout, now reformulated with even more barrier-supporting ceramides and hyaluronic acid. Or, Vanicream's Gentle Facial Cleanser remains a timeless, no-frills formula that's safe for your entire body and face. Eucerin's Eczema Relief Cream Body Wash incorporates colloidal oatmeal to provide instant soothing relief during the cleansing step itself. You can choose any from these 3. Application is just as important as the product itself. Always use lukewarm water, as hot water is a major irritant. Apply the cleanser with your fingertips, massaging it gently into your skin for no more than 30 to 60 seconds, then, rinse it off thoroughly. When you're done, pat your skin dry with a soft, clean towel. Do not rub, as that friction can trigger a flare. Step 2 is immediate moisturizing, known as the soak and seal method. Its sole purpose is to trap the water absorbed during cleansing and to deliver critical barrier repairing ingredients directly into the damp skin. The product you must use is a fragrance-free moisturizer. Opt for creams over lotions, as they are richer. Look for formulas rich in 3 key ingredient categories: humectants like glycerin and hyaluronic acid to pull in moisture, emollients like squalane and shea butter to smooth and soften, and occlusives like petrolatum or dimethicone to lock everything in. The most critical rule here is the 3-minute rule. You must apply this moisturizer to your damp skin within 3 minutes of patting dry with a towel to effectively seal in that hydration. For budget-friendly, dermatologist-approved brands, there are several reliable choices. The gold standard remains CeraVe Moisturizing Cream in the tub. It contains 3 essential ceramides, for a sustained release of moisture throughout the day and night. Another excellent option is Eucerin Eczema Relief Cream, which features both colloidal oatmeal for instant soothing and ceramide, 3 to aid in barrier repair. Aveeno Eczema Therapy Daily Moisturizing Cream is also highly recommended. Finally, for the most reactive and sensitive skin, Vanicream Moisturizing Cream offers an exceptionally pure, no-frills formulation that minimizes the risk of any irritation. For application, take a generous amount. Do not skimp, apply it using gentle, downward strokes to avoid unnecessary friction and tugging on the delicate skin. Step 3 is targeted treatment, specifically for use during active eczema flares. The core purpose of this step is to actively reduce inflammation and calm the intense itch that characterizes breakout patches. The primary product type for this is an anti-inflammatory treatment. For many, this starts with an over-the-counter 1% hydrocortisone cream, which is a mild topical corticosteroid suitable for short-term flare control, typically for no more than 7 days as directed. There are more options too, but those creams need proper doctor prescription, so I will not suggest you them. The correct application is crucial for safety and efficacy. This treatment should always be applied after your moisturizer has been absorbed. Take a small amount and apply a thin layer only to the visibly red, inflamed, or itchy patches of eczema, avoiding the surrounding clear skin, but note it strictly follow your doctor's instructions. This step is only for active flares, not daily maintenance. Overusing treatments, particularly topical steroids, can cause side effects like skin thinning. Use solely to treat flare-ups and stop when skin clears. Step 4 is occlusive sealing, a critical move for very dry areas or overnight therapy. Its purpose is to create a physical, protective barrier over severely dry or cracked skin. This step works to lock in all the moisture and treatments from your previous steps. For this final step, use a pure ointment. These are powerful, grease-based, water-free formulas that act as a protective bandage, shielding skin and locking in moisture to enable healing. For budget-friendly, dermatologist-approved brands, you have several excellent options. First is plain petroleum jelly, such as Vaseline. This remains the most effective and affordable pure occlusive ingredient available. Next is Aquaphor Healing Ointment, which combines petrolatum with skin-soothing lanolin and glycerin for enhanced healing properties. Finally, CeraVe Healing Ointment is a modern formulation that enhances petrolatum with essential ceramides, hyaluronic acid and more. All three are fragrance-free, non-irritating, and form the cornerstone of a therapeutic sealing step. Dermatologists and estheticians universally recommend ceramide-rich, fragrance-free moisturizing creams as the cornerstone. They look for products that contain a combination of ceramides to repair the brick-and-mortar barrier, humectants to pull in water, and occlusives to seal it in. Section 3. Best at-home treatments and lifestyle integration. True eczema control requires treating your environment and habits with the same care as your skin. Your daily routine is a powerful part of your therapy. For severe flares, use wet wrap therapy to maximize treatment. After a lukewarm bath and applying your medication or moisturizer, wrap the affected areas in damp cotton bandages or clothing. Cover this with a dry layer. Wear this for several hours or overnight. This technique drastically boosts hydration and helps topical treatments penetrate deeper. For full-body soothing, take colloidal oatmeal baths. Add finely ground colloidal oatmeal to a lukewarm bath and soak for 10 to 15 minutes. This creates a protective, anti-inflammatory film on the skin. After soaking, pat dry and apply your moisturizer immediately to lock in the moisture. A critical long-term strategy is trigger identification and avoidance. Keep a symptom diary to track your flares. Common triggers include harsh soaps and fragrances, rough fabrics like wool, dust mites, pet dander, sweat, stress, and certain foods like dairy or nuts. Knowing your personal triggers allows you to avoid them and prevent flares. Combat dry air with humidification. Use a cool mist humidifier in your bedroom, especially in dry seasons. This prevents the air from pulling moisture from your skin, reducing dehydration, cracking, and itching. Break the damaging itch-scratch cycle with anti-scratch strategies. Keep fingernails very short and smoothly filed. Wear soft cotton gloves at night to prevent unconscious scratching, which can tear the skin and lead to infection. Protecting your skin from trauma is essential for healing. Section 4. Product Selection Deep Dive. When choosing products, prioritize specific barrier-repairing ceramides like NP, AP, and EOP. Technologies like CeraVe's MVE delivery system are highly effective for sustained relief. Seek ingredients like thermal spring water, La Roche-Posay, and glucooligosaccharides, Aveeno, to strengthen your skin's natural defenses and reduce reactivity. Your clothing is part of your treatment. Invest in smart fabrics like silver-infused bamboo or tencel, which are antimicrobial and temperature-regulating to minimize irritation from sweat and friction. Eczema management is a marathon, not a sprint. Relief is found in the unwavering consistency of a simple, barrier-supportive routine. I hope you liked this video, so thumbs up and subscribe my channel.